I got my head out the
Hi guys!
I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got the
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, tagal na nung last upload ko, about a week or 2 weeks ago na. Kasi di ko na alam kung nangyayari. No, I've been so busy with my schoolworks for the last 2 weeks. Tsaka, ayun lang ata ginawa ko. Exams din! Sumabay na talaga, nagkagulo na lahat. Pero last time nakapag-swimming pa ako, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Because, ano ba, bakit? Yeah, I remember. May hinahabol akong due date that time. Alam niyo ba yung schoolwork ko na yun? Nung first meeting pa yung binigay. Nang due date ko na nagawa. Huwag niyo na akong anuhin, Pag-rush na ako nakapag-isip. Sobrang motto natin sa buhay ay, do now, do now. Insert ko lang yung ibang mga kaganapan for the last 2 weeks. Ito na siya.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we'll make it tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just go rest for home. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
So today, magmamas muna kami. Then, after, manganganak ko. Tawag doon! Manganganak sa binyag. Tama no? Basta magnininang kami sa anak ng best friend ko nung elementary. I know, since elementary. Ayun. So, mamimit niyo yung mga elementary friends ko and some of my classmates na dun. So, we're going na. I'll see you later. After this thing, Tapos na ng misa. Ayan, mga elementary friends ko. Ayan, one of my closest. I'm part of it. I can understand. I'm with Venus isa to. Ayan. Guys, I'd like you to meet.
Hi guys. What's up? What's up?
This is, what's your screen name?
Angel.
Really? Let's call her Grooves. This is Menard, the engineer. Ika naman dyan, eh. This is Maylin. Okay? Ayaw. This is Rafael. Oy, Peng!
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Nagtatampo yung babe ko.
Guys, subscribe nyo yung
Oy! Dahil... Ayan. Yung John Ray. Kenneth.
May utang po $100 si John Ray. Just so you know.
Patunay daw. And I'm with Caitlin. Ay, kakain na ba? Init. Nagtanggal na kami ng mask.
Nag-grigam lang yun.
We're about to eat. Ayan, nakamila na sila. There. Mamaya muna kami. So hot.
Video ni Chelsea.
Uy. Ay, ito, singer to. Ay, ang pangit naman ng live.
Ayos ako person. Ano pwede sa video?
Kaya nga eh, dito ka.
Pinalis.
Sige nga na yung
Sige ka naman dito.
So yung reception is the Martes, di ba? The Martes. Wala nyo na lang kung saan.
Secret lang po.
Secret lang. Hindi halatang gutom tong mga to, ah. You rock. Sige, bye. Here's the food. Duwa kami nito. Uy, awan tagi ko? Uy, kaya matoy. Matoy? Sorry. Sige, sige. Yun, bye. Ay, naman. Sana. Sana. Ate, please. Okay, let's go. Vlog na naman. Hi, guys!
Vlog ka mo ito na Robile. Yung kaya vlog Robile. Pengay. Ha? Vlog ka mo ito na. Yung matawag mo dali yung viewers mo. What's up mga me? What's up mga me?
We're having... Pulpog ba? Dinakdakan? Dinakdakan.
Tapos plato ito no?
Higado. Di ba? Meatballs.
Chicken.
Chicken.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're
Joking, hindi ka natin